Welcome back to Quick Review Zone. Today I've got something that every gamer and desk setup enthusiast will love, the Divoom x Gate Smart Digital Clock. This isn't just a clock. With its RGB pixel art display, Wi-Fi connectivity, and full smart app control, you can customize everything, from vibrant animations to live weather, notifications, and even your own pixel art creations. Designed with a cyberpunk aesthetic, it's the perfect centerpiece for your gaming room or office. Imagine having your clock, notifications, and art all in one stunning device. And here's the best part. It's not just stylish, it's functional. With easy app control, you'll always stay on top of time while upgrading your setup with something truly unique. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description and grab your Divoom x Gate today. Quick Review Zone, bringing you the smartest deals fast.